Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we're diving into why Python has become the go-to language for artificial intelligence and machine learning development. With its powerful libraries and user-friendly syntax, Python is helping developers bring AI applications to life with efficiency and ease. Let's explore how Python streamlines the AI development process and why it's the preferred choice in this field. Why Python is ideal for AI development. Python's simplicity, readability, and extensive library support make it ideal for AI development. Its easy-to-understand syntax allows developers to focus on problem-solving instead of complex code structures, which is particularly useful for AI projects that require testing and fine-tuning of algorithms. Python's popularity in the AI community also means that there are numerous resources and forums for troubleshooting, collaboration, and support. Python libraries that power AI. Python is equipped with a vast array of libraries specifically designed for AI and machine learning. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn provide pre-built tools for handling data, building models, and processing complex computations. TensorFlow, developed by Google, is widely used for deep learning applications, while PyTorch is favored for research purposes due to its flexibility. Scikit-learn, on the other hand, is ideal for beginners and smaller-scale projects, offering a range of tools for data manipulation and model evaluation, streamlining data processing and analysis. For AI, data is essential, and Python's libraries, such as Pandas and NumPy, make data handling easier and faster. These libraries enable developers to clean, manipulate, and analyze large datasets effectively. Additionally, Python's Matplotlib and Seaborn libraries allow for visualizing data, which is crucial in identifying patterns and trends for machine learning applications. This comprehensive suite of tools simplifies the data preparation process, a key step in any AI project. Python's compatibility with AI tools and platforms. Python's compatibility with various AI platforms, like Google's TensorFlow Hub and Microsoft's Azure ML, further enhances its value in AI development. These platforms offer resources and pre-trained models that can be easily integrated with Python, allowing developers to create scalable AI applications more efficiently. Python's ability to interact with other languages and tools also ensures that it can be used alongside other technologies for maximum flexibility. Python's growing community and future in AI. Python's strong and supportive community continues to drive its success in AI. With the language's ongoing updates and the development of even more advanced libraries, Python is set to remain a dominant force in AI and machine learning for years to come. As AI becomes increasingly vital across industries, Python's role will only expand, offering new solutions and innovations in the AI landscape. Thank you for joining KLM Institute to explore why Python is the language of choice for AI and machine learning. With its powerful libraries and dedicated community, Python is shaping the future of AI development. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KLM Institute for insights on programming, AI, and technology. See you next time, and keep innovating with Python.